your business actually still remains the owner of that file. Even if you are removed from the shared drive, well, don't worry, your business still owns that shared drive. I'm the owner of a shared drive. I shared it to my client and I made them managers, and then they removed me. Do I still own the shared drive? Does my storage get affected when they upload files? What happens? That's a great question. Now, the owner of a shared drive is actually a bit subjective. When you first create a shared drive, the business that your account is under is actually the true owner of that shared drive. So if you've created a shared drive and you've shared it with someone outside your business actually still remains the owner of that file. Even if you are removed from the shared drive, well, don't worry, your business still owns that shared drive because it actually sits within the ownership structure of your Workspace account, rather than something like a Google Doc, which gives you the ability to change owners by the change ownership feature. Now, just sharing a Google Doc obviously doesn't change the owner. Even if you're removed, well, I don't think you could be removed if you're the owner on a Google Doc, but you can be removed access-wise from a shared file. Now, let's have a look at our shared files and see how we can actually get access again to all the shared files inside our business. So the first step is we're going to go to our admin panel, then we're going to go to storage, and then we're going to go to view all shared drives. Now, this is going to show me all the shared drives, including those that I own or don't own. So you can see here, some of them have individual users that have created them or own them, and they've got all of the shared drives listed in one place. I'm curious what Jigglypuff is. I have no idea. Anyway, but I can open up an individual shared drive. Keep in mind that I am a super administrator in my account, and I can go into manage members. And here, if I wanted to, I could actually add myself as a member to that drive. And once I add myself as a member to the drive, I'm immediately going to have access to the drive. And so, let's say, as an example, I've been kicked out of a shared drive, but the shared drive is still owned by my company because it exists here. All I would have to do is re-add myself and I'll get access again. Pretty simple and straightforward. I hope that one helps.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.